How to add text in Capcut. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add text in Capcut. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go! So this method works on all platforms. You can do this on your Android phone, your iOS, and also your computer. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to a browser and search for TTF Fonts Free Download. So CapCut supports TTF, so you need to download that and then just head over to any of this. But for this video, let's choose this first link right here, which is the font squirrel. And then in here, you can see a lot of fonts that you can download. So I will just scroll for a bit and look for the font that I want to download. So I will download this font right here, this Seaside. So just click on this download TTF. Click on downloader here, and as you can see, it is downloading. So when we head over to our downloads, as you can see, it is on a zip file. So we need to head over to our files first, and then head over to our downloads, and then look for the zip file. So let's just scroll down until we reach it. Here it is. So let's click this and click on extract all. Click on extract parent folder, and then after that, let's head over to Capcut. So here it is. So accept all the conditions. Click on this new project right here. Click on allow on all of the permissions on Capcut, and then choose videos or that you want to use or stock videos. So for this, let's choose this right here. Click on add. So if you want to add text, just click on this text right here and click on this add text. And then for example, let's say something like, hi everyone. And click on check right here. So let's click on this style. So in here you can see the font style. But first, let's choose the style first so we can see the text. So click on font right here, and then in here you can see the option to add font. So click on that and click on this plus right here. Click on upload file right here. So let's click on our download. So here's our download folder, the Seaside Resort. Let's click on this TTF right here, and you can just press and hold to remove it. So as you can see right now, it is in here. And here it is, it has been applied to our CapCut. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add text in CapCut of the custom plots. If you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.